Alright guys, what is up? Today is day 2 of this small account flip, the final chapter. We got good news and we got bad news today. Good news is it was a success. $919 in profit, total size 0.20 lots. Not bad for the second day. This account is actually growing pretty good, and it, between Trump and Elon Musk going after each other, it's definitely causing big moves and spikes in the market. I think it's only going to get more interesting. So the account was $500 with the profit. The fees were ending today, ending the week with $1748.22 in total profit. So happy with everything. So that's the good news. The bad news is that Osprey, the broker we're using, is shutting down. So keep this video short, simple, and sweet. They're moving on to bigger, better things. They no longer just want to be a broker. From what I understand, they're looking to basically do more of like the prop firm space. So, as one door closes, another door opens. All good things, I don't want to say come to an end. We already have a new broker that we're going to be using that's actually really good from all aspects. I was like, holy shit. So very exciting new news coming. So all the information updates will be in our Discord group. It's 100% free. So keep an eye out for that. Because this they are shutting down. Apparently it's July 7th. I'm not going to pause this, right? I'm not going to pause the small account. I'm not going to stop it. I'm not going to switch it over. I'm going to run this and ride it out as long as possible. By the way, it's a live account. You guys can see in the top right corner. It's just look in the top right corner. You always see it says live. So it's a live account. It was at 500. Now the account's at 2248. 919.20 in profit today. After fees, we're looking at roughly around 917 and some change. So I'm going to continue growing this account, right? I'm going to continue growing this account until basically I can no longer trade on Osprey. Now, does that mean we're going to hit the 5 million? Probably not. That's not possible in that short amount of time. So, and although it says 500 to 5 million, that was a goal, that was a game plan. This is obviously out of our control now. So, we're going to play a game in the Discord. We're basically going to play a game, and whoever comes within the closest amount, right? Let's say people vote, hey, I think he's going to blow it up. Great, whatever. Let's say people say, no, I think he's going to end it around, I think his final, by the time he's done trading it, when they cease operations, he'll be around 50 grand, 100 grand, a million, right? The person that's the closest will get a free one-on-one mentorship session with me. Okay, so again, that's all gonna be talked about in the Discord, but nonetheless, I'm gonna keep growing this account, riding it day in and day out. How I'm basically gonna trade this account until the end is I'm gonna basically risk all of it. Yeah, you heard it. I'm gonna risk 90% of the count. So if the count is at $100,000, I'm gonna risk 90% of it, $90,000. I'm gonna risk it all, because at the end of the day, I only start with $500. So if I blow the 500, if this account is up to $1 million and I blow the entire thing, well, I only look at it as I blew $500, right? Or I just pay myself $500 back, and then I just basically blew the house's money. That's all. That's exactly the way I'm going to look at this. So, quick trade recap. Today was Friday. Market, we were looking for it to sell off. Pre-market, it took off running US 30 and NAS 100. NAS 100 took off running hardcore today, with really no pullback for a long time. So this one, this signal was a bust. You guys can see the signals here on the left-hand side. We took multiple trades, multiple sells today, but NAS 100 was ultimately the breadwinner for this final sell-off drop here. We started having these lows here, higher lows. So You know, not the best way to end the week. Monday and Tuesday were extremely strong, extremely hot in the market. Wednesday we didn't trade at all. Yesterday was good, and then today was kind of meh. So not the best action today. Obviously, NOS 100 was the brighter winner. Extremely choppy, but Monday we know how we're going to approach the market. As always, you guys can see here on the left-hand side, the signals get sent out to the members. So the same exact trades I'm looking to take place. My areas of stop loss, take profit are always going to be here on the left-hand side in the Telegram group. If you guys are interested in joining that, the link for that is below this YouTube video as well. So that's it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Again, these videos, they might be short, they might be simple, they might be right to the point, but I'll keep making them day in and day out. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. We'll do how many days? Obviously, it's going to be like less than 25, 30 days until July 7th. So, yeah, we're going to keep riding it out until basically Osprey tells me, nope, no more trading, withdraw your profit, your funds, and boom, that's it. Bob's your uncle. So that's it. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. I'll catch all you dudes in the next one.